Hi, I'm Emanuel,
I'm Julie. Welcome to our home.
the Tirolerin.
Just under a year into the process of renovating our 1903 Victorian home, the TirolerInn. This project has brought blood, much sweat, and even some tears. Through the setbacks and victories, each week we know we are getting one step closer to our dream of living in this beautiful place. Join us as we customize this home to our vision of ideal living and also strive to maintain the unique charm and character of times long past.